Hundreds of youth who were arrested in Nyeri town on Sunday have been released on a 10,000 shillings cash bail after being charged for being members of the outlawed Mungiki sect. The 299 suspects, who also included women, denied the charge before the senior resident magistrates Marceline Lubia and Matthias Okuche in two open court sessions that were held at the Nyeri Central Police Station. The court also directed that the accused persons be granted access to their relatives and friends so as to process their bail terms. Martin Mora with more.
They came out of the heavily guarded police cells in Nyeri, handcuffed in pairs, to face the count of engaging in organized criminal activity, contrary to Section 3A, as read with Section 4.1 of the Prevention of Organized Crimes. The part of the charge sheet read that on December 31st, 2023, within Nyeri Central Sub-County of Nyeri County, jointly with others not before the court, you are found to be members of organized criminal group, namely Mungiki, and engage in activities of the said criminal group. The 299 suspects, through their lawyer Ndegwa Njiru and Simon Boro, told the court that they are victims of political rivalry.
And as I said in the morning, the only crime they have committed is that they are Kikuyu young men. And so this is a serious danger to the Kikuyu young men, wherever they are. I hear there is a group of individuals who have been charged in Muranga, again being accused of being members of Mungiki. And so we're asking ourselves, when I look at these individuals here, other than them just bearing a Kikuyu name, I have not seen any indication of being a Mungiki person.
The lawyers asked the court not to be invited to a political battle, saying the arrested persons are being profiled courtesy of their names.
It is politically motivated. You must understand is that we have spoken to our clients, and they are saying before they were arrested by the police, they were requested to produce their ID. If you have a Kikuyu name, oh, and to you, you are in big trouble. And true to the words, there is no any other person other than Kikuyu young men who have been arrested. All these are Kikuyu young men.
All of them are Kikuyus. How do you explain that? It means that the arrest was indiscriminate in nature. So we will not allow this anymore.
The lawyers told the court that the accused had been denied food and water since their arrest on Sunday. The police rounded up the suspects on New Year's Eve on conviction that they were attending a band meeting at Kabirone grounds that was to be presided over by former Mungiki leader Maina Njenga.
You have the freedom to travel in this country and the right of liberty. You can move anywhere in this country. Some of them were being arrested from restaurants. Others were being arrested from their vehicles. Others were buying spare parts. They were being arrested. They were being arrested in clandestine manner by the police. Is that how to treat accused persons or suspects?
The Office of the Director of Public Prosecution, ODPP, denied taking directives from any quarters regarding the case, saying it is governed by the Constitution. ODPP added that the suspects' phones were confiscated for analysis, which will lead the investigation officer to arrest more suspects in connection to the case. The office of the ODPP also said that the identification cards would help in profiling the suspects and they would require more time before returning them to the suspect. Alternative surety bond of a similar amount. Mr. Okuche said the mentioned date on January 18, while Ms. Lubia said the mentioned date on January 16.
You cannot pack over 300 people in these small cells.
Martin Mora, NTV.